My name is Nadia Pretorius. I currently own two nursery schools in the West Rand area. The one is called the Beehive and the other one is called the Beehive. Combined in the two schools, we now have approximately 100 children that we look after on a daily basis. God called me to open my first school 12 years ago. However, it's always been my dream to open an orphanage, and this dream is quickly becoming a reality. The foundation is based on Isaiah 61, which says, "He has anointed me to heal the brokenhearted and set the captive free." The Beehive Foundation is a place of love, hope, learning and restoration, designed to be a safe haven for broken and lost children, and to teach, guide and equip them, not just for a season, but rather for life. Because of our love-driven vision, we want to make an impact, not just regionally, but rather nationally and internationally. And to achieve that, we have diversified our foundation into 3 distinct pillars. We don't really like using the word orphanage, but we need people to realize that this is the reality we deal with every day. We love these little ones more than anything, and we desperately want to give them the very best we can. We decided to use the premises that we currently use for our preschool, the Beehive, as it's the perfect place to grow the foundation and the dream. The Beehive Foundation Restoration Center is a place that uses awesome programs such as Overcomers Through Christ for kids and Overcomers Through Christ for teens to help everyone become a super awesome, amazing individual. The third pillar, the Beehive Foundation Community Service Program, feeds bodies, minds and souls. It's a feeding scheme that is also an outreach program that spreads the gospel and the love of God to all those that it reaches. Running an orphanage, a restoration center, and a feeding scheme is a daunting task, but it is so rewarding. We need your help to make the dreams a reality. Our immediate needs are financial. We are currently in the process of building living spaces for the orphanage, and construction is a massive expense. And we are asking the public to open their hearts to help us finance this immensely important project. You can do this in so many different ways. Everything from assisting us with fresh produce and food items for the orphanage and the feeding scheme, to financial assistance so that we can ensure operations run smoothly. And we constantly need volunteers to help in all aspects of the foundation.